Welcome to Poko and Mochi's Bath Time, a warm, bubbly story about two best friends, a playful cat named Mochi and a sweet hamster named Poko. Let's see what happens when they jump into their bath adventure together. Deep in the forest, Mochi the cat and Poko the hamster ran and ran, rolling and tumbling, until they were covered in dirt and leaves. Mochi's face was all muddy, and Poko had leaves sticking out of his fur. "Bath time? I don't wanna. Nya!" Mochi grumbled. Poko smiled brightly and said, "It'll be fun if we go together." Mochi thought for a moment, twitching his tail. "Well, I guess there's no choice, Nya." So the two headed off toward the bath side by side. The warm water felt so good. Mochi closed his eyes and let out a soft "funya." Poko floated his little rubber ducky, giggling as it bobbed up and down in the bubbles. Suddenly, splash! Poko slipped on the tub floor, sending water everywhere. A big wave hit Mochi right in the face. "Wood got in my mouth, Nya!" Poko, covered in bubbles, squeaked, "Oops, sorry." For a moment, there was silence. Then both of them burst into laughter. "Your face looks so funny, Nya," giggled Mochi. "Your face too, so many bubbles," Poko laughed back. Their giggles echoed in the steamy bathroom. Next, they started a bubble show. Mochi made a crown of foam and declared, "I am Queen Mochi." Poko made a funny beard and said, "Poko, Grandpa is here." They giggled and posed with their bubbly costumes. After all the giggling and splashing, they lay back and floated in the warm water. "Baths are so warm, Nya," purred Mochi. "Baths are so happy," Poko sighed dreamily. Out of the bath, they rubbed each other down with fluffy towels until they were warm and dry. Then, with a little cheers, they clinked their milk bottles together. "Poko, your fur's even rounder now, Nya," Mochi giggled. Afterwards, they snuggled up on the sofa, wrapped in a big blanket together. "Shall we bathe together again tomorrow, Nya?" asked Mochi. "Yeah, I'll bring more duckies," said Poko. Through the window, stars twinkled as Mochi and Poko drifted off to sleep. "Baths really are the best, Nya," Mochi whispered. Their gentle snores filled the cozy room. And that was today's story from Mochi's Wonder Days. A cozy village, gentle friends, and just a bit of magic. What do you think will happen next time? Another adventure? A funny surprise? We'll have to wait and see. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can join Mochi and friends again soon. See you next time. Bye-bye.